At exactly midday, a grand procession of the clergy commenced, marked by participation of prominent religious leaders. In the procession was the Archbishop of Tororo Archdiocese, His Grace Emmanuel Obbo. He was accompanied by 5 bishops representing the Archdiocese of Tororo, including Bishop Joseph Epchiro of Moroto Catholic Diocese, Bishop Charles Martin Wamika of Jinja Diocese, Bishop Damiano Giulio of Tororo Diocese, and Bishop Damiano Guzzetti of Moroto Catholic Diocese. In addition to these distinguished clergy members, numerous priests from the Archdiocese of Tororo were present, adding to the significance of the occasion. The vibrant atmosphere was further enriched by the contributions of the Moroto Catholic Diocese, which was responsible for animating the day's proceedings. Members of Moroto Diocese dressed in beautiful cultural attire, reflecting the rich heritage and traditions of their community. They acquire equally. Comprising of the Diocese of Jinja, Kotido, Moroto, Soroti, and Tororo, saw its faithful gather in unity. The congregation was a diverse assembly, filled with people from all walks of life and various parts of the Tororo Ecclesiastical Province. This province encompasses 5 dioceses, showcased a rich pedigree of tribe and culture, each contributing to the unique character of the gathering. The Archbishop of Tororo Archdiocese, His Grace Emmanuel Obbo, emphasized the significance of this coming together. He highlighted that the event was an opportunity for the laity to unite, celebrating the rich diversity and the characteristics of the diocese.
You can encourage that unity in diversity, and that is what we have been praying for. It started with now we are creating associations from all these tribes or archdioceses. We are creating associations. We have a very strong association here in Kampala. It's called Scala for Soroti, which composes of Teso and Kumam and so on. Then we have one in Tororo, which from Tororo group. It's called Tororo Ecclesiastical Archdiocesan Development Association of Laity. We have, as you heard it, from Busoga, there's that bit of it, Buchaka. So these are not tribal associations. They are associations of Christians, Catholic Christians who live in Kampala and want to live together. And so we're putting all this together from Karamoja region, sub-region, Bukedi sub-region, Bugisu sub-region, Sebei sub-region, Busoga sub-region, we have what we call the TEPAL.
Recognizing the multitude of tribes and cultures as a source of strength and uniqueness for the Archdiocese, he also mentioned the creation of more associations within the Archdiocese among to foster unity under the banner of Christ.
And you know very well that the Archdiocese of Tororo is very rich with all cultures. We have all cultures, we have all languages. It's not like in the central here you have only one language. So it brings all these languages, cultures, and people together. So it's very, very good. And that is what it means.
During his homily, Bishop Damiano Guzzetti of Moroto Catholic Diocese delivered a pragmatic message. He urged Christians to be mindful of their spiritual alignment, encouraging them to remain steadfast with God.
Draw from the martyrs, from this place where we are now, this grace, to be able to be a church that announces the grace of God. And many times, in many ways, in many occasions, also being criticized as if we were mad. Why is that person loving so much that son that has been doing that evil to her? Because of the grace of God.
Bishop Damiano called for Christians to be pilgrims of hope, advocating for a shift from self-centeredness to a broader perspective that witness the power of the gospel.
Pope Francis is inviting us to be Christians that pray preparation to the Jubilee year of next year, and the motto that he chose for this Jubilee year is Pilgrims of Hope. Today's world needs hope. We are the ones to bring hope. Today, humanity is falling more and more trapped in desperation.
As a gesture of unity and cultural appreciation, the Archbishop, His Grace Emmanuel Obbo, with all 5 bishops representing the Archdiocese, participated in a ceremonial dressing. The Archbishop represented other bishops with traditional Karamojong attire, gifts from the animating Moroto Diocese, symbolizing a deep cultural ties and mutual respect within the Ecclesiastical Province.
Yes, very good. You can hand over the stick, and it's also handed over. Very good.
This is a good step. This is a good initiative that will empower the Christians, being the lay community, to also evangelize and help the clergy to animate the evangelization of the word to all the Christians, because together we serve the church.
The ambience throughout the event was one of joy, reverence, and solidarity. The gathering not only celebrated diversity within the Archdiocese of Tororo, but also to reinforce the bonds of faith and community that unite its people. Nora Osende for UCTV News.